everybody, RVA Lego guy coming right back at you with another speed build and review of Newt's Magical Creatures case. That is Lego set 75952. This thing looks really rad. This is the very last Wizarding World set that I needed to complete all of these. So I'm pretty pumped up on this set. I don't know. I wanted to get all the Harry Potter ones first. That's why I waited till the end to get this one and the carriage, the Grindelwald's Escape. So yeah, that's where I'm at. This will spell the end of all the Wizarding World sets, of course, except for the castle, which will eventually, I'll eventually have that, but that's $400, so I'm holding off a bit on that. But yeah, so let's get started on this thing. What's up everybody, RVA Lego Guy here, coming right back at you with another review of the Fantastic Beasts set 75952. That's Newt's case of fantastic creatures. Oh, excuse me, magical creatures. This thing is freaking rad. I absolutely love it. My mind is kind of blown at how cool it is. I wish the creatures could fit inside the suitcase, but what are you really gonna do? This thing is so darn cool. These creatures themselves are really rad. You got this crazy bird, lion thing, and you got this crazy snake, bird thing. I'm really not sure. I maybe should have done some research before I reviewed this, but it's so cool. It's like all the creatures are really rad. You got this rhinoceros right here, which is really rad. I love rhinos. It's important to save the rhinos. They're going extinct, and it is an animal that I would love for my children to be able to see one day. So yeah, I love the fact that this is included. It's really important to make sure we all keep that in mind. But really cool creature here. All three of them, super rad. The briefcase itself is just so cool. You got your little hut here, which opens up like that. Little place for Newt to be. Little house. You got your little egg over here with a little, like, looks like a forest scene or something. And over here, more house stuff. Just really darn cool. If you fold it all in, whoop, it looks like that. It's your little briefcase, which is just absolutely insanely awesome. Everything about this set is just amazing. And at $45 at Walmart, it's almost 700 pieces. It's 694 pieces, which is incredible for $45. Usually you would be looking at, yeah, like closer to $70 for a 700 piece set. So this is probably one of the most reasonably priced Harry Potter, Wizarding World, Fantastic Beasts sets that they put out. I'm just so pumped on this. I can't wait to add it to the collection. The minifigures are really cool. I'm gonna have to get the box to read their names. But we got Jacob Kowalski right here. We got, of course, Newt right there. Tina Goldstein right here, and Queenie Goldstein here. Again, we also, the Niffler is right there as well. Just overall, 100% rad. There's nothing wrong with this set. I usually have at least one or two things I don't like about it. Yeah, I would say the closest thing here would be I wish the creatures could fit in the briefcase, but who really cares? They're super rad, and wah! Of course, I did that. But yeah, I mean, everything about this is just 100% amazing, and I love it, and I highly recommend it for anybody who loves Harry Potter and loves Fantastic Beasts. It's just a really awesome set. Yeah, go out and get you one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate everything y'all do for me. Let me know how I can make them better. Let me know if you want me to talk more, less, whatever. Just let me know. Just talk to me. Converse with me. I'll always respond. I'll always follow you back if you subscribe. Yeah, leave a comment, hit subscribe, hit that big old like button. Go check out my other social medias. All of that will be down in the description. Again, thank y'all so much. It means the world to me that you watch my videos, and yeah, I'll see you next time. As always, happy building. Bye bye.